where I, Eric Waymeyer, will demonstrate how you convert requests into work orders using your new Express Maintenance mobile application. Once you are logged into the mobile app, of course, you can see you'll just go to the requests menu. Once that menu comes up, you'll see a list of all the requests, and you can sort by those that are submitted, assigned, canceled, completed. Of course, that will default to the submitted category, and then you can sort those by insert time, equipment name, and ascending, descending. Now, if I go to any one of these and hit show more, I'm going to see a little bit more details, and that's just so I have a quick look at all of the requests that are currently in the system. But any one of those that I want to see and convert to a work order, I just simply hit the pencil in the upper right-hand corner of the request, and I can see its current status, who requested it, the equipment ID, the equipment name, when it was requested, and the service that was requested. Also the priority. If this is a request that the requester has entered notes on, you can review those notes right from the request notes tab, and then go back to general info. And if you're ready to convert this to a work order, all you have to do is go to the bottom of your screen, click convert to work order, and then give it just a second. And then what happens is that button that was convert to work order has now changed to go to work order. Then all you have to do is go to the work order. It pulls up the work order screen, and now you are going to continue to fill out the work order just like you normally do on any other work order. And that is how you convert requests to work orders using your Express Maintenance mobile application. Thank you.